Mmm.
That's a good birthday cupcake, huh? Is that a good birthday cupcake? Yes?
You blew out the candle?
The candle, yeah.
Good idea.
Now
You
what?
gonna do that again at your party?
Here.
Everybody's gotta sing happy
He's looking
birthday
for the
though.
candle again.
You only blow out the candle once. If you don't do, it's bad luck if you do it again.
Now, what about that cupcake? Are you going to give that one back to Daddy?
Can I have that one? No, can I have that one?
You going to eat both of them? What about Daddy? What about
Shining star fruit shapes.
Daddy? What's Daddy going to have? You have to give one of those to Daddy.
Sugar
Where's my
cookies,
cupcake?
stars. Oh, that's got baby.
Where's my cupcake?
Where's Daddy's cupcake? Give Daddy the chocolate one or the white one? Give Daddy a cupcake. Daddy wants a cupcake.
I can have that one?
Oh,
Thank you. Come on, give Daddy a cupcake.
I can have that one? Thank you.
good boy.
Good job, Zach.
Good sharing. Mmm.
Don't make a big deal out of it.
This is making a movie out of it. He's taking movies.
Is he?
Yes, he's taking pictures. That's why we're doing this. Is that a good cupcake? Is that good? Yes, good cupcake.
Cupcakes.
Does it taste good on your face? Yeah.
And on your fingers?
How about on your nose?
It's on your
In
nose.
your hair?
Oh no.
Cupcake in your hair?
He's picking up the whole thing. Oh, it must be delicious.
Oh, yummy.
No, that's Daddy's.
It's my cupcake.
Daddy better eat his cupcake before the videoing.
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh, look, he's going to drink his water now. That's very good. Who's being silly on his birthday?
Can you sing? Turn on the radio. Uh-oh. Now you're going in the other room. Sorry.
No, here.